Welcome back to New Brand Car, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into the future of travel with the all-new 2025 Volvo Motorhome, a game-changer in the world of luxury camping and road trips. The Volvo Motorhome isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement of comfort, innovation, and performance. Designed to provide a home-like experience on the road, this motorhome blends Volvo's legendary engineering with cutting-edge technology. Volvo, known for its safety and reliability, has stepped into the motorhome market with a vehicle that redefines what it means to travel in style. Motorhomes have been around for decades, but the 2025 Volvo Motorhome takes things to a whole new level. With a futuristic design inspired by Scandinavian minimalism, it offers the perfect balance of aesthetics and functionality. The invention of this motorhome is a response to the rising demand for mobile living, especially in Europe and North America, where road tripping culture is thriving. Countries like the United States, Germany, and Sweden have some of the highest sales and usage of motorhomes, and Volvo aims to capture this growing market with a model that offers both luxury and sustainability. Popularity is skyrocketing, and it's no surprise why. More people are looking for flexible travel solutions, and the Volvo Motorhome provides the freedom to explore without compromising on comfort. Whether you're a digital nomad, a retiree looking for adventure, or a family seeking new experiences, this motorhome is designed to suit all lifestyles. Under the hood, the 2025 Volvo Motorhome is powered by a state-of-the-art hybrid engine, combining an efficient turbocharged diesel with an electric motor. This setup delivers an impressive balance of power and fuel efficiency, ensuring long road trips without constant refueling stops. The motorhome offers a smooth and stable ride, thanks to Volvo's advanced chassis and suspension system, making it perfect for both highways and rough terrains. Fuel efficiency is a major highlight, with the hybrid system delivering around 25 to 30 miles per gallon, exceptional for a vehicle of this size. Additionally, solar panels on the roof contribute to energy sustainability, powering onboard electronics and reducing dependence on external charging. Capabilities are where the Volvo Motorhome truly stands out. Equipped with an intelligent all-wheel drive system, it can handle various road conditions with ease. Whether you're navigating snowy mountain passes or off-grid camping sites, this motorhome is built to adapt. Smart driving assistance, adaptive cruise control, and Volvo's renowned safety features ensure a stress-free journey. Inside, luxury meets practicality. The interior boasts a spacious layout, featuring a high-quality bed with memory foam for ultimate comfort. A fully equipped kitchen includes a smart induction cooktop, a compact yet efficient refrigerator, and a built-in coffee machine. The motorhome also features a stylish dining area that transforms into additional sleeping space, maximizing usability. Pricing starts at around $150,000, which positions it competitively in the luxury motorhome segment. With Volvo's commitment to safety, innovation, and sustainability, this model is set to be a strong contender in the market. The biggest selling point: it's the perfect blend of comfort, efficiency, and advanced technology. If you're looking for a motorhome that offers high-end features with a sustainable approach, the 2025 Volvo Motorhome is a top choice. That's it for today's review. Let us know in the comments what you think about the new Volvo Motorhome. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to New Brand Car for more exciting automotive content. See you in the next video.